Hello everyone, in this video how to password protect column in Google Sheets. Note this, Google Sheets doesn't have a direct password lock option, but you can lock specific columns using protect range so others cannot edit them. This works just like password protection. Select your table or column, direct column, go to data tab, protect sheets and range, set permissions, show a warning when editing this range and restrict who can edit this range. Only you customs copy permissions from another range. Example, show a warning when editing this range. Click OK. Save. And now edit this. Press enter. And now we can see this show a warning. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.